Holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. With all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything, and I will adore you.
Praise God. The birth of Jesus Christ in our life. Like I said, I have very, very special guests with me. I feel like at the beginning I did not introduce Margarita. She's our youth leader. So and she sings in choir. Sometimes she does. And I have Gigi, who's the worship team. She leads worship. She leads choir. Church.
For me, my challenge is getting enough knowledge for them. The youth are young adults, teenagers between 13 and high 20 or early 20s. And it's a challenge to keep up with their knowledge, with their thirst for God. It's a challenge to keep up with their, I can't say mood swings because it's not really that, just their desire to test the authority limits. Because they're at that age that we were all were, where we're trying to, find ourselves, trying to overcome our rebellious nature and find God in this process. So I've learned that over the years to be very patient with them. They're young, they don't understand sometimes. And to constantly be in the Word, because they'll come up with questions that you don't believe at all. They have got me off questions where I'm like, you know what? I'm going to ask the pastor. I'll get back to you on that because I need to learn this too. So they always keep you on my toes and just being ready for whatever they can throw at you.
How about you?
For me, it's always remembering that I'm not all that. Staying humble, and then also remembering that I'm not all that, and then remembering that I am a vessel, that God is using me. So that I'm not there because I want to be there, or I'm not there because I put myself there, but God is using me. So letting Him use me, that's the big part. Because as I said earlier, sometimes God, for me personally in my life, God speaks to me through convictions. So like I feel like something, it'll stay on my mind until I do it, this particular thing. So even with like singing in the church, it's not something that I wanted to do, guys. Don't be mistaken. I didn't choose this. Like I didn't want to. But it's just something that I felt like God was like pushing me to do, and then I had to be humble enough to be like, all right, you lead, now follow. So always remembering to humble myself. I'm a vessel, God is using me.
Most people probably do know I talk out loud to myself because I lose focus very quickly. So I have to hear myself to reiterate. Something like a habit I do, I read and procrastinate so much. So much. To be honest, I'd rather finish a book than do anything else. And
that's good.
Yeah. I don't have any secrets.
Oh my gosh, I really can't think of it. If you speak French, okay? If you speak French and you're looking for a church, you don't have a church that you go to, even if you speak English, we have a French service at Emmanuel Lutheran that meets from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. every Sunday. So hit Rebecca up, and then Margarita should go.
And if you speak Spanish and or you speak English, I go to the Church of Emmanuel, part of Assemblies of God. Our services are Wednesday at 7 p.m. here in Grand Rapids. We also have a Sunday service at 10 a.m. to about noon here as well in Grand Rapids. We also have another service on Tuesdays at 7 p.m. out in Holland, and we have a service at 2 p.m. out in Holland on Sundays. You're more than welcome to come.
All right, before I promise anything, but we will try. We'll try our best to upload video more often. And thank you very much to Grace, who's behind the camera. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.
All right.
To Him who sits on heaven's mercy seat. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. With all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything, and I will
adore you, the only wise King. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. Just singing on the string.